Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find the reset button on your Premaire air conditioner and how you can basically reset it if you don't find it. So first of all, you need to understand that most of the Premaire air conditioner don't have a dedicated reset button, not only on the indoor unit but also on the outdoor unit. So if you have been searching around the cabinet without any luck, that's completely normal. Now, if you have a Windows or a portable AC, you need to simply just check the power code. Now, on top of the power code, you are going to see these types of two buttons available. So this button is the reset button. This is the test button. So since you have found the reset button now, you need to simply press this particular button and wait for some time for at least 10 seconds. You need to hold it for 10 seconds until it restarts. Now, if your model doesn't have a reset button on the plug, you can just simply turn the AC off completely from the circuit breaker and with the help of the remote. And then you just have to leave the unit for some time. In the meantime, you can press the power button on the remote, and then after the time duration, you can just simply turn the AC back on. So when you do this, it is going to basically restart, and this is what we call the manual restart or the manual reset that you can try in order to reset your Premaire air conditioner. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.